Hey guys, this is Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to crochet this pattern. To begin, grab your yarn, make a knot and start chaining. Your chains should be a multiple of 4 plus 2 chains. For example, if you have 16 chains, add 2 more chains at the end. I made 20 chains to demonstrate, added 2 more chains to them. Now I have 22 chains. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into the next one. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 3 chains and make 1 single crochet into the next one. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 3 chains and make 1 single crochet into the next, and repeat this process to the end of the row. At the end of row 1, we should have something like this. Row 2, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Add 2 more chains as our chain 2 space and turn your project. Make 1 single crochet into the chain 5 space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 single crochet into the next chain 5 space, and repeat this process to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 single crochet into the next chain 5 space. At the end of the row, chain 2 and make 1 double crochet into the first single crochet. And this is what we have at the end of row 2. Row 3, chain 1 and turn. Make 1 single crochet into the very first stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 1 single crochet into each of our chain 5 spaces. Chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 5 space. At the end of the row, make 1 single crochet into the third chain of those 5 chains that we made at the beginning of row 2. 1, 2, 3 into this one. And this is what we have at the end of row 3. Row 4, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Turn your project and make 3 double crochets into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3. Then make 4 double crochets into every chain 3 space. Into the last chain 3 space, make 3 double crochets and make 1 double crochet into the last single crochet. At the end of row 4, you will have something like this. Row 5, chain 1 and turn your project. Make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 3 stitches and make 1 single crochet in the space between the 3rd and 4th stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet into the space between the fourth and fifth stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet in the space between the fourth and fifth stitch. Chain 5 and repeat the process to the end. At the end of the row, chain 5. Skip the next 3 chains and make 1 single crochet into the last double crochet. Our last double crochet was those 3 chains that we made at the beginning of previous row. Make it in that third chain. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 5. And from here, repeat row 2, 3, 4, and 5 until you get the desired length. At the end, you should have something like this. If you want to see future videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, write your comments down below, turn on post notifications, and share it to your friends. See you in next videos. Bye!